Fair Money. Fair Money is a fast rising loan apps in Nigeria and some other country. So, and the app have generated over 10 million downloads, as you can see right there on the screen. So this app is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store for you to download. And they also have their website as well that you can also check out. So you can see right there. Then the app have generated over 4.7 rating overall, and the total review so far is 619,000 plus, which means people that are using this app are also dropping review, which make it more unique and it also make more sense. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see some snapshots about the app, just like this one right there. So there are a lot of things you can actually do with Fair Money loan apps. So once you download it, you have a one bank for all your needs. You can get a loan of up to 1 million naira inside the app, and you can also see that you can enjoy up to 10% to 26% interest per annum if you keep money with uh, Fair Money. And what they're gonna be doing with the money, if you are interested in knowing that, they're gonna be using your money to run a business, such as borrowing people and earning some interest. So those interests they are getting from people is what they are going to pay you on the long run. So that is just for the how they will be using your money for business. And for the 30 free transfer every month. So if you are using Fair Money to send out money, so you're gonna be getting or transferring money for free with 30 transactions. So after that 30 transaction, once you exceed that, you will be charged at least up to 10 naira per transaction. So you can also see lightning fast bill payment. So inside Fair Money app, you can also buy airtime, data, cable TV, and internet subscription. You also have zero account charges, zero hidden fees, safe and secure free ATM cards. You can see this how their ATMs look like. So they are trying to compete with some other uh, apps like opay and then Palmpay. So this make it more sense. Then you can see one bag for all your needs. So you can see how the apps looks like. So depend on how much you're interested in borrowing, probably they're not gonna ask you for BVN. So you can see the app was just updated on the 3rd April 2024, which is yesterday. So they keep the app up to date so you don't have any issue of bugs or anything. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see the latest review from Alima Ali. She dropped 4-star rating on April 1, 2024. She said, so far, I have had a good experience using the app. I like that I can save on it instead of borrowing, and unlike when I first started saving on it, I'm no longer in undated with message calls asking me to pay or to take a loan. However, two things I don't enjoy. Why can't I change my password to the app? I have checked and there is no feasible place to change password from. Please, this should be worked on. Also, why can't I extend the period on my fair lock plan without waiting for the maturity date? So most times you can't extend it since you already started. You have to um if you want to extend it, you have to wait till the fund drop, then you can increase it again. And you cannot withdraw once you lock fund inside the platform. So I think overall it makes sense. I'm going to be making more videos around Fair Money because we noticed that some people are finding it so difficult. Something like changing password. I'm very sure there might be uh, option inside the app, which of course you might not know how to go about it. So let's check on the review. You can see forgotten password. You can see, kindly click on forgotten pin on the app to reset your password. You can see right there. So obviously it's there. Maybe you don't know how to navigate to that. So this is another review from Boma. So you can see 19 April 2024. So you are seeing that there are a lot of uh reviews right there. This 3-star rating. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see another review, which is 3-star rating from Oluyinka. So you can see there are a lot of reviews on Fair Money. So you can check it out on Google Play Store. And if you are using an iPhone, you can try it out on Apple App Store to see how the app works.